How to remove watermark from video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to remove watermark from video using Adobe Premiere Pro. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and import the video file that contains the watermark. If your video has audio, unlink the video and audio tracks. Now, copy the video track to the upper layer. Then, go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Apply this effect to the video layer with the watermark. With the blurred layer selected, go to the Effect Controls panel and choose one of the mask options. After that, drag the mask over the watermark. Next, resize and adjust the mask to cover the watermark completely. Increase the blur value until the watermark is no longer visible. You can increase the mask feather value to smooth out the edges of the mask. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.